It's December, so happy holidays everyone. Thanks for an amazing year. Today I'm rounding up a few gift ideas for anyone who loves EDC, productivity, or thoughtful design. If that sounds like you or someone you know, these picks might spark some inspiration. I've been meaning to do a video like this for years now, and I'm excited to share my list with you. Alright, so first up, this A6 planner from Muji. For less than 10 bucks, you get a portable, pocketable planner that slips easily into your daily carry. What I love about this one, aside from its size, is the layout. On the left side, you get a bird's eye view of your entire week, perfect for listing priorities or jotting down quick reminders. On the right side, there's a clean grid-style page where you can write freely. Ideas, to-dos, journal entries, whatever your day needs. The paper quality is also surprisingly good. There's no ink bleeding and the pages feel dense enough to resist accidental wrinkles or tears. Up front, you'll find monthly calendar spreads for planning ahead, and at the back, a set of blank grid pages for extra notes. And of course, it's even better when paired with a pen that matches the same minimal design philosophy. This one is from Deli, smooth to write with, nicely weighted, and refillable. For anyone who's into journaling, planning, or organizing their day with intention, this duo is a simple, thoughtful gift. Next up is the Nimbot D30. This one's a Bluetooth-enabled label maker, and since picking it up earlier this year, I've pretty much used it to label everything. It's a great gift for someone who's intentional about organization, but also appreciates well-designed everyday tech. Design-wise, it's simple and intuitive. You flip open the top, load the thermal label roll, close it back down, power it on, and the Nimbot app takes care of the rest. Printing is instantaneous and you get a variety of presets, icons, and fonts to choose from, which makes it surprisingly fun to use. The finish has this matte black coating that for some reason doesn't pick up fingerprints easily. And just like most modern tech today, it charges via USB-C, which is always convenient. Honestly, I can't recommend this enough. It's one of those small practical tools that end up being used every single day, and definitely something I'd buy again if I had to. Next up is the Muff Snap Studio from our channel sponsor, and it comes in this beautifully structured case held shut by soft magnets. There's a certain feeling you get when a product is designed with intention, and that usually starts with the unboxing. It opens gently, like peeling back the wrapping of a gift that was prepared just for you. Inside is a collection of beautifully crafted accessories for the iPhone 17, starting with the snap case. Its minimal design is a classic with buttons that are responsive to the touch. Also features Muff's smooth Moves vegan leather, which offers an enjoyable tactile experience and resists most scratches and discoloration. The MagSafe connection is also stronger here, so every accessory clicks into place with confidence. Next up is a Snap Tripod Wallet, which is probably my favorite piece in the set. This has been my go-to accessory for the past 2 years. Folds out into a structured and stable stand that's ready whenever you need it. It's great for calls, watching your favorite shows, and even using it as a mini selfie stick for vlogging. And because it doubles as a wallet that fits up to 2 cards, it trims your carry down even further. But if you need a bit more space, that's where the Snapfield wallet comes in. It's still slim and still refined, but with enough room for a few extra cards or IDs without throwing off your setup. It can also accommodate some folded bills and coins, and it also has space for a SIM card and a SIM ejector tool. In my opinion, this is one of the best travel companions since it's primarily a wallet, but you can opt to stick it onto your phone since it's also MagSafe compatible. It also has a stand that lets you prop your phone up when needed. Next is the Snap Duo watch band, which is a great pair for the Apple Watch. I recently picked up a 46mm Series 11 and it fits right into Muff's design language. It's easy to install, easily snaps on and off your wrist via magnets. Its two-tone finish is also soft to the touch and has a clean hole-less profile. If you get bored with the lighter gray colorway, you can just flip it and then switch to the dark blue finish. It's like having 2 watch bands in one. And to round everything out is the Everywhere Lanyard. This is for the days when you're on the move, shooting, commuting, or just working between spaces. It gives your phone a place to live without needing to hold it the entire time. It's also easy to install and adjust, features a quality fabric and a locking mechanism that holds your phone nicely, but it's also easy to detach. It's a perfect travel companion in my opinion. Muff also just launched their Depth Pursuing Color collection, which provides more color options for all the accessories in the Snap gift box. People can truly mix and match based on their personal styles and preferences. Head on over to Muff's website to check it out for yourself. Next up is this pocketable mini knife that I've been using for several years now. This one is called the Baby Banter Knife from a company called Civivi. I actually bought it at the same time as my iPad mini back in 2021, and it's been a daily essential ever since. I highly recommend this as a gift for anyone who receives a lot of packages because it makes opening boxes quick, clean, and effortless. The mechanism is also really satisfying to use. You can deploy the blade with just one hand and it locks in with a nice, confident click. In terms of finish, the grip is smooth but never slippery, and of course, I went with the all-black version because it's sleek and understated. But if you prefer something more playful, it does come in different color options. For me, this is one of those buy-it-for-life tools. The build quality is excellent, the materials age well, and its utility is undeniable. It's simple, reliable, and genuinely one of the most useful pocket-sized gifts you can give. Also, if you're looking to gift or treat yourself to some digital goodies, I've designed a few wallpapers for phones and computers that you can download. Every download supports the channel, so thank you for the love and support. Next up is this elegant Bluetooth speaker, the Gen 3 IKEA VAP-B. Beyond its clear sound and surprisingly powerful volume, what really stands out is the design. True to that Swedish sensibility, it carries a minimal and understated look that blends easily into almost any space. It measures 20 by 20 centimeters and comes in two finishes, black and white. I went with the white one for a cleaner, softer presence on the shelf. Around the back, you'll find a 3.5mm audio input for wired listening and a simple charging port. Up front, you have a prominent volume knob and a power button that also works as a Spotify tap control. One press and you're instantly back to whatever you were listening to, super convenient for day-to-day use. While the VAP-B doesn't include a built-in battery, it's designed to pair with the NB battery pack. With that attached, the speaker becomes portable and can go for up to 25 hours, perfect for both indoor and outdoor setups. And if you want to expand your soundstage, you can even link two units together for a stereo experience. Sure, it won't outperform heavy hitters like Sonos or Bose, but its sound character honestly surprised me. The bass is present without being muddy, the mids are clean, and the highs stay crisp even at louder volumes. For $69, it's a beautifully designed home essential that balances looks, practicality, and genuinely enjoyable audio. And it makes a perfect gift for homebodies and anyone who loves clean everyday tech. Next up is a MagSafe Powerbank from Charge. This is the Charge IceMag 3rd generation, a welcome update from last year's model. I've had the Gen 1 version since its release and even gifted it to a friend. The Gen 3 now supports up to 35 watts fast charging, Qi2 wireless at 25 watts, which gets your iPhone to 50% in about 20 minutes, plus active cooling, 2 USB-C ports, and a convenient fold-up stand. The transparent casing carries that classic Charge aesthetic with subtle design cues reminiscent of old Sony Cybershot. And the included strap doubles as a USB-C cable, which means fewer things to pack. There's even an RGB indicator light if you want something a little more playful. If you're shooting, editing, or moving between locations with your iPhone 17, this gives you flexible charging options. You can snap it on wirelessly, plug in for fast charging, or use the built-in stand so your phone can watch back footage or record hands-free. It's a charger that looks and feels like a piece of studio gear, but built for people who care about aesthetics and performance. A perfect gift for travelers, creators, and design-driven EDC enthusiasts. Lastly, this piece of tech from the 80s is a nice, retro-inspired gift for bespoke music lovers. These are the limited edition KOSS PortaPros. The PortaPros has surfaced on TikTok over the past 2 years, but the company's history has been long and rich way before their resurgence. KOSS, founded back in 1958, is actually the company that pioneered the world's first stereo headphones. And in 1984, the PortaPro was born, an ultra-portable, on-ear pair designed for people who wanted great sound without carrying around bulky hi-fi gear. It became iconic almost instantly, especially among commuters and students in the cassette era. Fast forward to now, and they're barely changed because they didn't need to. The limited edition gold version keeps that same classic silhouette, the collapsible metal headband, the retro sliders, the foam ear pads, and those signature comfort zone adjustable pads on each side. They feel feather light at just 60 grams, and despite the minimal look, the build quality is surprisingly sturdy thanks to the metal frame and simple, repairable design. Sound-wise, the PortaPros still carry that warm, rich KOSS signature that people fell in love with decades ago. You get a wide soundstage, punchy mids, and a smooth low end that's perfect for indie, alternative, and anything with character. Specs-wise, you're getting 60 ohm drivers, a 15Hz to 25 kHz frequency response, and a classic 3.5mm plug, which makes them compatible with almost any audio setup. And if your phone doesn't have a headphone jack, of course, no problem. Just plug them into any 3.5mm to USB-C dongle and you're good to go. And that's really what makes this edition special. It's nostalgia wrapped in gold, but still practical enough for daily listening. A gift that bridges old school charm and modern day relevance, one that feels personal, thoughtful, and a little bit timeless. And that wraps up my holiday gift guide for 2025. I hope this gave you some inspiration, whether you're treating yourself or someone you know who loves EDC, productivity, or thoughtfully designed gear. Thanks so much for watching, and here's to creative, organized, and fun holiday season. With that said, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers!